If you want to make progress faster than 90% of people doing maybe virtual assistants or trying to figure out any type of online skill, there is one thing that you need to fix first. And this one thing is probably the reason why you are stuck right now. See, you can spend hours learning, watching tutorials, trying things out without actually achieving any real progress. And that is why in this video, I'm going to show you a simple system that I personally follow to make sure every single week I am achieving real progress. I am moving forward and closer to achieving my goal. Before we get to the actual system that I follow, there is one thing that I want you to understand. Look at this as, let's say this is point E, this is point B. You want to get from here to here. If two people want to get from this point to this point, the person who stay on this track and kept working on this track is going to reach faster than someone who start working for a few hours, they stop, they take a rest, and then they work for 3 hours, they take a rest, and they see another route, they follow that route and they take a look at what is on the route, and then they came back, they continue working on the route, they see another route, they take a look at what is on that route, then they came back and follow the route again. You can clearly see who is going to reach there faster. If they are working at the same pace, then the person who spent 5 hours working straight to reach point B is definitely going to reach faster than the person who worked for 1 hour. And understanding this is what is going to help you use the system right. What I want you to do is take a look at your day. Decide how many hours can you put into learning, practicing, trying to figure things out. It doesn't even matter if you are overwhelmed or not. Just decide how many hours can you put into doing it every day or every week. If you decide, okay, you can only work for 2 hours trying to figure it out every day, great. Just pick what you are comfortable with based on your own schedule. Don't try to push yourself too much, because if you try to push yourself too much, you are not going to stick to it. And that is why I said pick hours that you know you are comfortable with. If you say you are going to spend 5 hours every day, you are probably not going to make it consistent. You might do it for 2 weeks or for 2 days or for 3 days, but eventually you are going to drop it. So pick 1 or 2 hours every day. Decide if you are going to use 1 hour every day or 2 hours every day. If you want to put in 2 hours every day into doing it, then that means in a week you are going to spend 14 hours. You are going to figure it out within a few months. That is a fact. But the problem is you are going to be spending those hours, maybe even more, trying to figure it out. You think in your mind you are putting all those hours trying to figure it out, while in reality you are getting distracted. You are only working for maybe 30 minutes trying to figure it out, and the rest of the time you are doing something else. Let me give you an example. You might sit down and you said, okay, I want to start virtual assistant, but I am too overwhelmed. Okay, I'm going to spend 2 hours today trying to figure out something about virtual assistants. You go to YouTube, you search for what is a virtual assistant. You watch virtual assistant, you are watching the video, somewhere along while you are watching the video, an ad maybe come off in the video, and you see someone selling a course of maybe social media management. So you think, maybe social media management is something interesting, I can do that, so let me take a look at it. You check out social media management. After you finish checking out social media management, you thought, social people who have a large following make a lot of money. Maybe I should start my own social media page or my own YouTube channel or something like that. So you spend some time thinking and searching how to start a YouTube channel or how to grow a social page, how to make money on social media. While you are looking for how to make money on social media, you see some videos or some posts telling you can make free money on WhatsApp. So you spend 2 hours. In your mind, you think you are trying to figure out virtual assistants, while in reality, you only watch one video about virtual assistants. You watch another video about social media management, then you watch another video maybe about how to make money free on WhatsApp. You watch another video about how to make money on social media. So you spend those hours, but most of the time is a distracted time, because all of those other things are just going to be a distraction. And that is why the next thing that I'm going to tell you is going to make all the difference. The next thing that you shall do after you decide the number of hours that you can put into trying to figure it out is use a time tracking tool. A simple time tracking tool to use is Clockify. Create your free account on Clockify. Every day when you sit, start from the next day. When you sit, you want to start using those 2 hours per day. Just open Clockify and write the date of today. Maybe you said Monday, 7th of March or 7th of April, and you just start the time. As soon as you start the time, Clockify is going to start counting in the background. You can leave the tab, go to another tab, and start looking at things related to virtual assistants. Whatever you do while that time is running, that Clockify time is running, is going to be specifically about virtual assistants, if that is your goal. So even if you come across something that sounds interesting, you are not going to look at it while that time is running. Even if you don't have any direction on what to do, no matter what you do, it's going to be about virtual assistants. Until that 2 hours run out, you see in the tab that 2 hours has clocked in, then you can stop the timer. You can go ahead and do whatever else you want to do. Tomorrow when you come back, you start the time, you are going to track exactly 2 hours doing nothing but figuring out virtual assistants. In a week, you can look at your Clockify report. You can see clearly you spend 14 hours working on trying to figure out virtual assistants. If you do this, you are automatically going to fight distraction. Naturally, you are going to get rid of all of those distractions, because anything that you are interested in, you are not going to do it within those 2 hours that your time is running. This is going to help you move a lot faster, because you know for sure you put in those hours. And that is the key thing. That is totally within your control, the hours that you put into figuring things out. Distraction is your biggest enemy. You are going to have a lot of distractions. But if you follow this route, if you use this system, all those distractions are going to have to wait. If you have extra time, you can put it into doing those things, but you make sure that the input that you intend to put into figuring it out, you put it every day. If you do this, I have no doubt, even if you are overwhelmed right now, you are going to figure it out, because there are enough resources on the internet to help you figure it out. If you just stick to it, even let's say you don't know anything about virtual assistants, within 2 hours, if you start searching what is a virtual assistant, you are going to have more questions, and you are going to try to answer those questions. You are going to find tutorials and answers to those questions. If you finish your 2 hours without figuring all the things you want to ask, then you know what you need to ask tomorrow. So tomorrow when you sit down and you start your time, you are going to go ahead and start answering those questions that you have from the previous day. And I can guarantee you, if you do this, most people are not spending 2 hours every day trying to figure something out. If you do this, you are going to get ahead. That is a fact. And I have been doing a lot of things. I have clients who I work for as a virtual assistant. I work for other clients as a website designer. I have a YouTube channel, social media pages. I manage people. I have a lot of things. So without systems, I will be overwhelmed. I will be way too overwhelmed. These are the kind of systems that help me stay grounded and help me focus and do things that matter every single day. And if you want to take a look at my exact workflow and how I manage my day-to-day activities, you can check out this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.